we're pulling the sheets back on the company. We're showing how the sausage is made. How much do we actually make? So right now, our average ticket, our average repair cost, that right there is our average repair cost on the plumbing side, is $600. So we have a $600 average repair, and we're gonna back all of our percentages into it. $180 going into overhead. Next, we have $120 for parts and materials. After that, our direct labor, again, it's that 25%, so it's gonna be a little bit higher than that 120. We have $150 of direct labor. Again, they might not be getting $150 for this exact call. It's covering them for their downtime as well, so that whenever they come to your house, their truck is well stocked. They can use their time wisely and make sure that they have all the parts, or most of the parts, necessary to complete the repair the first time on the first visit and not have to leave you wondering, where the heck did my plumber go and why can't I get a hold of them? Then after that, we have our warranty. And we have, just that bigger number there. We have that 10%, which leads to a $60 warranty reserve. So that warranty reserve is that kitty. It makes sure that if it comes time, something happens, we're not gonna have to ask you for more money. If we made a mistake, we wanna be able to own up for it. If we made something wrong, if we did something wrong, we wanna be able to take care of it, no questions asked. So basically, it's a small insurance policy for you as the homeowner, and it's a small insurance policy for us as a company to make sure that we're, if we do go out and fix something and do what's right and just take care of it, we're not gonna be killing ourselves on the back end and threatening the future of this business. So $60 warranty reserve. Last but not least, the most important question, net profit. So net profit on this job, $90 net profit. So that right there is the breakdown of what it looks like on a plumbing service as well as plumbing install, which we would call basically water heaters, tankless water heaters, and repipes and sewer line replacements, things like that. The percentages pretty well stay the same. There's a couple variants in here of maybe plus or minus 2 or 3%, but ultimately at the end of the day, the goal on everything we do is to have a 15% net, because after we pay taxes and everything like that, that 15 looks a whole lot like 10. So we want to make sure that we're a healthy 15%, and that's what it looks like on this $600 average repair for plumbing. Since we have recorded this video, we have some big news. We have been working on a brand new pricing tool for our website. So if you go to yarbroughsons.com and click on the instant estimate button, it will give you an instant estimate in 45 seconds or less. If you speed run it, that's how long it took me. But again, I just click through it really fast. But you can get an instant estimate on what it would cost to replace your home's HVAC system or water heaters in less than 45 seconds. Upfront pricing gives you a great range of ideas as far as what to expect when it comes to replacing your home's two most expensive appliances, your HVAC and your water heater. So if you're in our service area, go check it out. Yarbrough.